Hurera, what are you reading today?
I'm reading a corporate law judgment and it is regarding the winding up of a company.
Very nice. Please do tell us about this judgment.
Okay. The citation of the judgment is 2021 CLD 1351. The facts of the case are that the two banks sought winding up of two companies on the reason that those companies have failed to perform their part of contractual obligation and also failed to pay their debt when they have been demanded. In a cluster of issues decided by the High Court, one of the issues was whether unwillingness to pay debt is to be equated with the inability to pay debt, where it was held that unwillingness to pay debt is not to be equated with the inability to pay debt. The reason is that unwillingness to pay debt is due to a bona fide dispute between the two parties, and in this situation a normal course of action to avail remedy is to file a suit of recovery in the court rather than filing a winding up petition under the provisions of Companies Act. If a company is commercially solvent, then winding up petition cannot be initiated against them, whereas inability to pay debt is different situation where a company is commercially insolvent or where their liabilities exceeds their assets. In this situation, a winding up petition can be initiated. In this case, the auditor reports from 2012 to 2018 of the company was taken into consideration, and there can be seen a huge significant losses the company has bared in these years. And there were no chances that the company would make profit even in the future. And also, those auditor reports were made in a manner that they were flouting the international standards of auditors. Based on these inability to pay debt, the court allowed the winding up petition and also appointed the liquidator.
Very nice. So, what essentially I'm understanding, Hurera, is if you are a creditor, now you need to be mindful of the fact that you can't just float credit based on the fact that if somebody doesn't pay, we can push them to liquidation. Now, the court have made it clear if there is a unwillingness to pay, this is a bona fide dispute that should go to a civil courts for recovery of monies.
Yes.
However, if in this case, as they did, you can establish that this is inability to pay debt, then a petition for winding up pursuant to section 301 and 302 of the Companies Act can be made.
Yes.
Thank you.